How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 67 Chevy II Nova, done in a super nice victory red. Gorgeous car, guys. Got the steel cowl hood. So all the grill and the bumpers all been replaced on the car. It's got a real cool chin spoiler on it. Car's real straight, slick down the sides. Real nice, clean, solid car. Got a nice set of 17-inch wheels. It's got four-wheel disc brakes with drilled and slotted rotors. All the panel fitment on the car is real nice. Rear bumper's been replaced. The tail deck lid trim is the original. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. It's got a real stout running 355 in it. Aluminum intake, 4-barrel. It's got power 4-wheel disc. Got the aluminum radiator. It's got the factory ram horn exhaust manifolds into a nice set of duals out the back in stock location. It's got the SS interior in it. You see the jams and everything are all real nice. It's got tilt wheel. It's got a very nice stereo system in it. It's got navigation and everything. All the headliners real tight, nice. Did a nice job doing a trio of gauges there. Nice little center console. I like the center console. It gives you drink holders and it's got an armrest. It's got the amp and stereo there. That could be removed. It still has other speakers. You don't have to have the big kicker box. All the paintwork on this car is very nice, very slick, show quality. All the trim's nice. Nice billet steering wheel. It's got your Hurst shifter in it. Nicely mounted in the console there. It's all really nice. I tell you, they did a really nice job putting this car together. Gentleman owned it for several years. Again, it's real stout running, 355. Got the updated headlights and stuff in it. Really good looking car. It's a tough car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.